Today, we are going to introduce Garmin's handheld navigators. First, let's take a look at the keys of the GPSMAP series. Power key. Out key. Page key. Menu key. Enter key. In key. Find key. Mark key. Quit key. Next, the keys of the eTrex series. Light key. Thumbstick. Back key. Up key. Down key. Menu key. Next, some common settings. In Main Menu, Setup, Map, Orientation. Set the orientation of the map. Select Advanced Map Setup, Text Size, User Waypoints. To set the size of waypoints names on the map. Select Detail and Shaded Relief to set the details of the map. In Setup, Tracks, Advanced Setup, Auto Archive. Set the archiving frequency of your tracks to manage them more easily. And choose a color that is easy to identify on the map. In Setup, System. Select the battery type you use to get an accurate battery level display. Waypoints are locations you saved in your device. If you press the marked key or hold the thumbstick, a waypoint will be created at your current location. And if you want to set your destination or any location as a waypoint from the map directly, move the cursor to the location where you want to create a waypoint. Press the Enter key, and then press the Menu key. Save as waypoint. Saved waypoints can be viewed in Main Menu, Waypoint Manager. To edit waypoint information, select the item you want to edit. To adjust the waypoint location on the map, press the Menu key and select Move Waypoint. For more features, please check the user manual.